TransUnion versus Equifax. Watch before choosing. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which credit bureau is better among TransUnion and Equifax. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with TransUnion. TransUnion offers comprehensive credit monitoring services, provides identity theft protection and recovery services, features an intuitive and easy to use platform, known for providing accurate and up to date credit information, allows free annual credit reports, monthly subscription fees for premium services. Some users report issues with the dispute resolution process. Past incidents of data breaches can cause concern. Now, let's come towards Equifax. Equifax offers robust credit monitoring services, provides detailed credit reports and scores, includes identity theft protection services, operates in multiple countries, providing a global perspective, allows free annual credit reports. Notable past data breach raises concerns about data security. Charges monthly fees for premium services. Mixed reviews on the quality of customer support. Choosing between TransUnion and Equifax in 2024 depends on your specific credit monitoring needs and concerns about data security. TransUnion excels with its user-friendly interface, accurate data, and identity theft protection. Equifax offers comprehensive reports, a global perspective, and robust monitoring services, but has a history of a significant data breach. Consider your priorities in terms of data accuracy, user experience, and security to determine which bureau aligns best with your credit management needs. That's all for this video.